in Canada. Let's go. We got the spot. You already know the vibes. Whoa!
What's up,
What's up, brother? We're checking out the place. We got the brother cooking it up. Let's go. What the hell? We
got the boys in the car. Sesh time, baby.
Doggo. Yeah. Doggo. All right, let's go. 720 check, bro. Bro, this is the legendary spot. So we're the first ones here, huh?
I mean, not the first
well,
one, but
from like,
the first from outside of Canada.
Let's fucking go, bro.
The only athletes is like Hugo Rod.
Oh, we thought it was gonna be a storm, and the weather is actually perfect. Bro, I've been watching your videos here for so many years, and now we're finally here, bro. Let's go!
The fuck up, bro? Wait, I'm sorry, bro. Wow.
Alright, we're done, bro. Alright, we can go back. That's it.
Let's go back.
Yeah, we can leave now.
Give me that hand, bro. Just don't put your hands close to this. You know, like the only thing, the only way he could bite you is by accident. Because he's a retard, but he's not gonna do it.
Because he's retarded. Tell me, how are you feeling right now, bro? Or he just got here.
I'm a little sore, brother, but I'm excited to sesh here.
Yeah? Hell yeah.
All we need is a monster, and we're ready to go.
It's gonna be an activation type of day or what?
Type
shit. Oh.
Shot,
wow, bro. Oh my goodness.
Is your head sour?
Bro, I think I just turned into a ghost.
Nah, you've been the ghost. Look at your white ass.
So what's gonna happen right now is 720 first try. Yummy.
It's Wednesday, bro. We have Thursday, Friday, Saturday to chill after. You can 7 today.
You're gonna 7.
Am I gonna catch it? Fuck no.
Up.
What the hell, bro?
The head is shaved, bro. The pre has been preed. The shaft has been emptied. It's about to lose 10 pounds, bro. The warming up type of guy right here with the purple situations.
Check these out. Calisthenics Pro coming soon.
Let's go.
That's what I thought, now listen. Just you don't care who I'm hitting. Fucking right, I'm fucked up. Body as bad as I'm shipping. Just wanna see him bleed. This is the industry. They gon' see the end before they see the end of me. Hopping out the fucking porch, I step into a crowd scene. Stepping up on the phone, all this shit I've seen, I need some first aid. Made a fucking nightmare while pursuing all of my dreams. Hard from the hobby to the shadow.
That's how type shit, brother. Type shit. Type shit, brother.
Type shit, baby.
Just finished the sesh, and now it is time to eat some Korean barbecue, which I am hyped. Shut the Oh, okay, let's go. We're walking, apparently.
Oh my
Where are
god!
we crossing?
So follow Calisthenics Pro on IG.
Follow Calisthenics Pro.
So right now we're crossing Gatineau and we're going through the river, which is the capital of Canada, Ottawa. So we're barely like 15 minutes away from the capital of Canada.
the whisper. Alright, so 12:36. Let's go.
His face is
1 a.m. recovery sesh.
1 a.m. recovery sesh.
Alright, we in here. Can't see shit. We're out here flexing. Let's go. Get in the fucking car, bro.
Get out of my house right now. DJ Calisthenics.
How we feeling, boys?
Sandy, my boy.
Sandy?
Sandy.
Ready to send it? Hiking through the Canadian jungle. Yo, the vibes are peaked right now. And the buggers are everywhere. Are you about to send it right now?
Over here, bro. I'm trying to get some GPS of you guys. Want me now? Adventure.
Wait, brother?
Yeah, let me take for me after that.
The most perfect day in Canada, bro. You ready to send it right now, brother?
Send it.
Wait, this is the 40? Oh, belly God! Go! Let's fucking go! Out here sending it. Fucking shit. Yes!
Quick reminder, you need to charge your fucking camera, Thomas.
Orders, bro, like Ninja Warrior fun.
Yes! Let's go! Baby!
Double game. Starting it.
Oh shit! Oh my days! ErgonofDynamics.com. Oh! Keep it going. Flat.
Yes! Let's fucking go! No way! No way! Woo! right, guys, the sesh is finally done. We are all absolutely dead, and it is pouring outside. So we're gonna head out right now and get some good foods, get some grub, and then finish off this last day here in Montreal. See you soon. Over. What do you guys think of your first Canadian experience?
It was cool, man.
Yeah.
Different world, you know. But yeah, good experience for sure, bro. Same, brother.
Type shit.
Put that shit in the